Prayers are neither light dreams nor vague wishes. They should be firm pledges of determination. Prayers made with such strong resolve invite clear results, just as magnets attract iron. A very good evening to all of you. My name is Mannat Sharma. This is a presentation for you all by the Future Division members.
Hello everybody, my name is Manav. Four keys students should keep in mind. First is hope. Without hope, no person is able to move forward. Have hope for ourselves and create hope for others. Second is courage. Courage gives the confidence to continue challenging. Third is perseverance. Make continuous efforts to do something, even facing difficulties and not getting immediate desired results. Never give up. And last is advance. Must have the spirit to move forward even a little bit every day. Thank you.
If you have the spirit to keep challenging yourself, to chant Daimoku, or if you have a wish or goal that you truly want to achieve, then you will naturally be able to get into the habit of chanting earnestly. Just challenge yourself in your own way. Daisaku Ikeda.
Hello everybody, I am Devanshi. A Buddha is not the one who sits quietly in the remote world of enlightenment. A Buddha is one who never ceases to take on challenges, who goes among those who are suffering and sweats and toils for their happiness. Buddhism teaches that nothing happens by chance, everything has meaning. Please be convinced that your inner life is already endowed with everything you need, no matter how difficult your situation may be. You are alive now, and there is no treasure more precious than life itself. Thank you.
I am Anadia Banerjee. If we look at the world with love of life, the world will never living it put to us.
Prayer are neither light dream nor vague wishes. They should be from place of determination. Prayer made with such a strong resolve invite clear result, just as magnet attract iron.
Hello everybody, I am Muskan and I would like to share that from discussion on youth, Shansi encouraged the FD members by saying, I trust all of you. I live for your happiness, for your future. You are the hope of humanity. Each of you is hope itself. The growth of the future division will determine the SDI's future. The only way to build a sound foundation for a peaceful future is to raise each young successor into a person with the capability of a thousand. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Zarin. Happiness is something we must create for ourselves. No one else can give it to us.
I am Bijoy. Our encouraging quote of Sanjay are as follows. First, our ability to spread the joy is the true mask of our humanity. Second, prayer is a change to preserve. It is the struggle to overcome our own weakness and lack of confidence in ourselves. Third one is, there is no one strong as a person whose heart is always filled with gratitude.
Now, lastly, on behalf of all the future division members, I would like to determine that we, the members of future division, hereby take the oath that by chanting Nam Myoho Renge Kyo with all courage, hope, and faith, will overcome this tough time of worldwide pandemic of COVID-19. We also determined to imbibe each word of Sensei's guidance in our lives and improve our life state and bring good fortune for one and all. Thank you.